In the 12th century, Chinese engineers built a trebuchet that could launch a 150-pound stone over 300 feet, a feat that would change the course of history. With over 1,000 years of engineering experience, the Chinese had perfected the art of siege warfare. Their secret lay in the design of the trebuchet's counterweight system. The Chinese trebuchet's design was a masterpiece of engineering, with a counterweight system that allowed for precise control over the launch. The counterweight was typically made of stone or metal and could weigh up to 10 tons, with some examples like the one used in the Mongol siege of Xianyang in 1273 weighing as much as 12 tons. This weight was carefully balanced to achieve the perfect launch trajectory, taking into account factors like wind resistance and air density, which was a remarkable feat considering the limited understanding of physics at the time. The Chinese also developed a system of pulleys and levers to make loading and launching the trebuchet more efficient, allowing a team of 20 to 30 soldiers to launch projectiles weighing up to 100 kilograms over distances of 200 meters or more. Notable examples of Chinese trebuchet designs include the works of famous engineers like Mozi and Zhu Chongzhi, who made significant contributions to the development of trebuchet technology during the Han and Song dynasties. Chapter Engineering Feats, about uncovering the secrets of ancient Chinese trebuchet engineering. One notable example of Chinese trebuchet engineering is the whirlwind trebuchet, built during the Song dynasty, which lasted from 960 to 1279. This massive machine could launch a 200-pound stone over 400 feet, with some accounts suggesting it could even launch fireballs, a testament to the ingenuity of Chinese engineers. The whirlwind trebuchet was over 30 feet tall and required a team of 20 soldiers to operate, demonstrating the scale and complexity of these ancient machines. Its counterweight system was so sophisticated that it could launch projectiles at a rate of one every 10 minutes, making it a formidable weapon on the battlefield. Historians such as Joseph Needham have studied the whirlwind trebuchet and similar devices, revealing the advanced understanding of physics and mathematics that ancient Chinese engineers possessed. For example, the use of a counterweight system allowed for a significant increase in throwing power, with some trebuchets able to launch projectiles over 1,000 feet. The whirlwind trebuchet is just one example of the many impressive engineering feats achieved by ancient Chinese engineers, who were able to design and build complex machines that were well ahead of their time. The Chinese trebuchet played a crucial role in medieval siege warfare, allowing armies to breach enemy walls and fortifications with unprecedented force and precision. During the Mongol conquest of China, which lasted from 1206 to 1368, trebuchets were used to devastating effect, with the Mongols deploying them to capture key cities like Beijing and Nanjing, resulting in the capture of over 90 cities and towns. The Chinese also developed a range of projectiles, including fireballs and incendiary bombs, which were designed to spread panic and destruction among enemy ranks, with some accounts suggesting that over 10,000 fireballs were launched during a single siege. Notable examples of successful trebuchet deployments include the Siege of Xianyang in 1273, where the Mongols used trebuchets to breach the city walls, and the Battle of Kaifeng in 1233, where the Jin dynasty used trebuchets to repel the Mongol invaders. The use of trebuchets in medieval China revolutionized the art of warfare, allowing armies to overcome even the strongest fortifications and paving the way for the development of more advanced siege engines. The Chinese were skilled metallurgists and developed advanced materials like steel and iron, which they used to build their trebuchets, with some examples dating back to the 12th century during the Song dynasty. They also developed a range of innovative materials, including silk and bamboo, which were used to construct the trebuchet's throwing arm and counterweight system, such as the one used in the 1274 Battle of Xianyang, where the Chinese used over 500 trebuchets to breach the city walls. The use of these materials allowed the Chinese to build trebuchets that were both powerful and lightweight, making them highly mobile and effective on the battlefield. For instance, the famous Chinese general, Guazhi, used trebuchets made of steel and bamboo to great success during his campaigns in the 8th century. The combination of these materials enabled the Chinese to build trebuchets that could launch projectiles weighing up to 150 kilograms over distances of 200 meters, a significant advancement in medieval siege warfare. The Chinese trebuchet's legacy can be seen in the many medieval siege engines that were built in Europe and the Middle East, with over 200 recorded instances of its use in battles during the 13th century. The Mongols, in particular, adopted the Chinese trebuchet design and used it to devastating effect in their conquests of Eastern Europe, capturing key cities such as Kiev in 1240 and Budapest in 1241. The trebuchet's design allowed for the hurling of heavy projectiles, including stones weighing up to 100 kilograms, over distances of 200 meters or more. Today, the Chinese trebuchet is remembered as a testament to the ingenuity and innovation of ancient Chinese engineers, such as Mozi and Zhuge Liang, who pushed the boundaries of what was thought possible with medieval technology. The trebuchet's impact can also be seen in the work of later engineers, including the famous French engineer, Villard de Honcourt, who designed similar siege engines in the 13th century. Thanks for watching our documentary on ancient Chinese trebuchet engineering. If you want to learn more about the fascinating history of medieval warfare, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our next video on the secrets of the Roman catapult. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest documentaries.